Hello everyone, welcome back to my English learning channel. This is class 16. In today's class, we will learn English through a story and conversation. This method will help you speak English naturally. Repeat after me and speak loudly. Let's start. Read with me. Ravi is a hard-working student. He wakes up early every morning at 6 a.m. After waking up, he brushes his teeth and takes a bath. Then he eats his breakfast and gets ready for school. He goes to school on time and attends all his class carefully. He listens to his teachers and takes notes in his notebook. After his school, he comes back home and takes some rest. In the evening, he plays cricket with his friends. After playing, he comes home and starts his homework. He studies English for 1 hour every day. He practices speaking in front of a mirror. He also watches English learning video on his mobile. At night he eats dinner with his family. Before sleeping he revises what he learned during the day. Ravi wants to become successful in life. He believes that hard work and practice can change his future. Now read again slowly. Story conversation. Now let's talk about the story. Answer with me. What does Ravi do? Ravi is a student. What time does Ravi wake up? He wake up at 6 a.m. What does he do after waking up? He brushes his teeth and take a bath. Does he go to school on time? Yes, he goes to school on time. What does he do in the evening? He plays cricket with his friends. How does he practice English? He practices in front of a mirror. What does he do before sleeping? He revises his lessons. Now repeat again. Real life conversation, some sentences. Let's practice real life conversation. What do you do? I am a student. What is your daily routine? I wake up early, go to school and study daily. How do you learn English? I practice speaking and watch English videos. Do you practice daily? Yes, I practice every day. Why do you want to English? Because it helps me in my career. What is your goal? I want to become successful. Now practice this conversation again. Speak practice task. My name is Sis. I am a student. I wake up at 6 a.m. I go to school. I practice English by read books every day. My goal is successful. Speak for 2-3 times every day. Practice English daily. Speak without fear. Use simple sentences. Repeat again and again. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Comment class 17 next lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.